Hello everyone, this is Serene from OrangeTee and Thai AAG divisions. Today I'll be showing you a brand new exclusive high floor unit available right here at Boulevard 88 in the coveted District 10. Live in the lap of luxury with this converted 3-bedroom, 2,777 square feet units as you enjoy all the pleasures and conveniences of living in a prime district. You can also enjoy luxurious facilities at the roof terrace such as the infinity pool, spa pool, gym and many more. Come, let's go! All units enjoy a private lift which opens into a lobby where you can store all your shoes. This leads into our highly spacious living and dining area with large slab marble flooring and plenty of light streaming in through the balcony sliding doors. The layout gives you the freedom to arrange your furniture according to your preferences to make your ideal home. The living hall has unobstructed eastern views with no hot western-facing afternoon sun. Out on the granite top balcony, you can enjoy views of the vibrant orchard area and surrounding greenery. A tastefully designed wet and dry kitchens featured designer European brand appliances and double fridge, perfect for cooking up delicious meals. Common rooms are spacious with bay windows for scenic views, built-in wardrobes and dedicated en-suites. The third common room has been converted to create a more lavish master suite with 2 walk-in wardrobes for you to enjoy. We are just 500 meters from the Orchard Boulevard MRT on the Thomson East Coast Line and 550 meters from Orchard MRT on the North-South and Thomson East Coast Line. Just 350 meters down the road is the beginning of the entire Orchard shopping belt starting with Wheelock Place. Here you will never find yourself short of amazing food options or retail outlets to explore. The iconic Singapore Botanic Garden and Fort Canning Park are just a 5 and 10 minutes drive away, the perfect spots to spend weekends with your family. Thank you for watching our home tour of these amazing units here at Boulevard 88. If you are interested in renting, do contact me to learn more. Once again, this is Serene from OrangeTee and Thai AAG Divisions signing off.